Daddy.
You ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, sing.
Yeah.
Kumanta siya ng theme song namin.
Shine like the sky.
You got me falling slow. Hey mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Pagbanong Vlog sa Pabibo at Pabibe! Alright guys, ngayong araw pag-usapan natin kung ano mo. He wants more. Pag-usapan namin kung ano ang theme song na to. Anong history ng theme song na to. Paano siya ni-record, ganun.
O kasi maraming nagtatanong about sa song na yun.
Yes, super dami. Gising.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Alright. DVD. Ladies and gentlemen, yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon habang naglalaro si Nitro. So, DVD. Originally, we were called the Foreignoy Trio. Sumali kami sa Itbulaga noon. It was me, Day, and Bobby. Isang Australian, ako. Isang Koreano, si Day. And then isang Nigerian, si Bobby. Oh, thank you, baby, for my phone. Thank you. So, nanalo kaming tatlo ng Itbulaga. Nanalo kami ng segment na You're My Foreignoy, si Itbulaga. Tapos, gumawa kami ng group. Nag-perform kami sa mga mode show, kaming tatlo. We called ourselves the Foreignoy Trio. Our first music video was a cover of the song Bayaya, which was written for Yaya Dab. So gumawa kami ng cover ng kantang yan. Tapos Universal Records lagi silang nagde-delete sa mga video namin about that song kasi they had the rights to the song. So eventually nagsawa sila sa kaka-delete. Tapos they offered us a contract instead. They offered us a contract na lang. So imbis i-delete na lang nila palagi mga video namin, they offered us a contract to sign with them. So we got signed with Universal Records Philippines, and then we made an album. All the songs on our album were composed by Bobby Madubike. Siya yung Nigerian sa band, and siya yung pinakamagaling kumanta sa aming tatlo. Ayun. Pagkatapos nun, sumali kami sa isang show sa ABS-CBN na I Love OPM. Ayun. So sumali kami dun as a group, and we changed our name from the Foreignoy Trio to DBD, which stands for Day, Bobby, Dwaine. Ayun, DBD yung mga pangalan namin. So the Foreignoy Trio, bawal po namin gamitin. Sabi ng ABS-CBN sa amin na kailangan, oh sorry baby, okay? Okay, Bobby?
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today!
Hey guys, interrupting this video to talk about our app, Phil Talk. Download nyo na, nasa iOS Store, Apple Store, or nasa Android din. If you're downloading on Android, go to philtalk.net sa web browser nyo. Sa Phil Talk, pwede kayo manligaw, char. It's a dating app and a language learning app at the same time para sa mga taong gustong matutong mag-Tagalog or Bisaya. So may mga AFAM dun, char. Alright guys, so check out Phil Talk, philtalk.net.
This beautiful life.
Sabi ng ABS-CBN sa amin na kailangan baguhin namin yung pangalan ng group namin. Kasi, parang yung word na Foranoy comes from GMA. Ikbulaga, you're my Foranoy. So sabi nila, ayaw namin ng ganun. Ayaw namin na parang, kinuha lang namin kayo from Ikbulaga, ganun. So sabi nila, we need to change your group name. So yun, naisip namin, DVD na lang para madali. Ayun. So, we sang 4 times on that show, I Love OPM, noong 2016. Tapos, umabot kami sa semi-finals, okay? There were only 8 contestants left and we were finally eliminated sa final round. Yung unang round, masaya. Magda ni Glock 9, yung kinanta namin. Yung pangalawang round was, ano pangalawang round, baby? Naalala mo ba? It was Tuloy Pa Rin. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. The third one was Kilometro by Sarah G. And then the fourth one was Dahil Mahal. That song. Mahal, mahal kita. Yung nakakaiyak. And then we were eliminated. Kala kami sa mga Korean K-pop group. Ayun. So yun. After that show, ni-release namin yung album namin, the Foranoy Trio album. Lahat ng kanta namin ay nandun. We did a cover of Ngiti sa Iyong Ngiti, that song. We did, a few different songs composed by Bobby, pero yung pinakasikat na kanta namin from all of these songs was the English song, which is Love You. You sing it, love you. Yeah! Kumakanta siya palagi ng theme song namin. Yun yung pinakasikat sa lahat ng mga ni-record na kanta namin. So, we recorded lahat ng ibang songs namin Tagalog. Yung Love You, yun lang yung English song na. Yeah, so yun yung patok. Yun yung ginamit namin for the YouTube channel.
Oh, Papa.
Oh, Papa, 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 Papa. Oh. So yan guys, yan ang kwento ng theme song na nasa mga video namin. Love You, the Foranoy Trio, composed by Bobby Madubike. Kumanta din ako dun, may mga ibang parts ako dun kung narinig nyo, kung papakinggan nyo. It's okay, Bobby. Okay, feeling ko gutom si Nitro, kapag-inin ko si Nitro. So, maraming salamat guys sa panonood sa video na to. Are we done? Are we done? Done? Yeah, we're done. Hey, done? You say it, done?
Done.
Yeah, we're done. Okay. Done na kami! Okay guys, bye! Say bye!